There it is.
First bass.
Julian's first striper. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Awesome, man. Yeah, that's a good fish.
Just watch your trolling motor, Jake.
Yeah.
You're ready to kick it.
I'm going over.
Yeah, they love running at the boat.
Also, they are like reds.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, it's a better quality fish. All right, it's out of spot lock.